Good morning, beautiful people. I made the pone bread a while ago, so now I'm going to be making some chocolate gravy to go over it. I think this is a dish from the South. I've got 6 tablespoons of butter in here, melted over medium heat. Next, I'm going to add
4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour.
Going to just mix that all in, get that all worked in good.
I'm helping with the ingredients because Janice is having a hard time seeing to read with one lens in, one lens out.
Since that cataract surgery. So you just want to get your flour all blended in. Okay. And let me get this over here. Put this on. And it calls for cocoa.
2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder.
Just the Hershey's. 1, 2. Gonna stir this up. Boy, it is already smelling good.
Let y'all see that.
All this goodness. It's still on medium heat. Got that all mixed.
Then
I'm gonna add
3/4 of a cup of sugar.
You're gonna try to stir this in as best as you can.
Try to stir it until it dissolves.
And it'll look thick, but you just gotta stir it in. Then it calls for 1 1/4 cups of milk.
And it says to raise the heat to medium-high.
Okay, I'm going to turn it up to 5. I'm only going to pour in a little bit at a time. Because you want to cook it to the consistency that you want.
Yeah.
Stir this up. Boy, that smells good.
Well, it's good.
I think this was a real treat back in the old days when families didn't have maybe a lot of sweets.
Darn the luck, I'm going to have to try it.
You'll like it. Eric loves sweets. Okay.
If I have to take one for the team, I'll do it.
Oh, I wish y'all could smell this. It was so good. I'm going to go ahead and pour in the rest of the milk. You do whatever consistency you want. This is good over ice cream too, not just biscuits. And I tell you what, if you want to just use canned biscuits, you go right ahead.
Yeah.
Because this is good. I'm going to cut that down to about 4. Now I'm going to add, is that a 1/2 teaspoon?
Yeah, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then once you add the vanilla, stir it in and then turn it off.
There goes the vanilla. And go ahead and turn that off. Stir this up. I'm going to remove it from that burner. Oh, I wish y'all could smell this. If you need to thin it down, you can certainly add more milk.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt. I'm going to fix Eric here some over that pone bread I made.
which was wonderful just the way it was. This is gonna be even better. Look at that.
I don't know, folks, but I think he blacked out for a minute.
That's good stuff.
Yeah, it is good.
That's good stuff.
I hope y'all make you some. Hope y'all like it, and we love y'all.